We are back with the Q2 earnings of another listed company. Yes, you all guessed it right. Today we are going to discuss about the Q2 results of Karnataka Bank Limited that was released on 13th October 2020. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Before we could share the complete details of the results, let's quickly know the history with the timeline of the bank. Karnataka Bank Limited has started in 1924 and is based out of Mangalore, Karnataka. The bank has a network of 862 branches, 1026 ATMs and 454 e-lobbies across 22 states and 2 union territories. Here's the bank's milestone timeline. In 1960, Karnataka Bank Limited has acquired the Sringeri Sharada Bank. In 1964, it took over Chitradurga Bank. In 1966, the bank took over Bank of Karnataka. In 2000, the bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with Infosys to develop a core banking solution, that is Finacle. In the year 2004, the bank introduced the Money Plant debit card. On Tuesday, the 13th October, the bank has declared its Q2 earnings. It has made a net profit of Rs 119.44 crores in Q2 of the financial year 2020 on moderation in bad loans. That means the bank's net profit is up by 13%. The bank has posted the net profit of Rs 105.91 crores in Q2 of the financial year 2019. After the bank's declaration of Q2 results, the share price of the bank has shot up by 6.0% on Bombay Stock Exchange. Currently, it's at a rate of Rs 44.55 per share. The total income in Q2 of the financial year 2020 is Rs 1,933.52 crores, while the bank has made a total income of Rs 1,902.41 crore in the Q2 of 2019. The bank has seen an improvement in gross non-performing assets fell to 3.97% this year from 4.78% the last year. Meanwhile, provisions for bad loans and contingencies were raised to Rs 322.13 crore for the September quarter compared with Rs 262.40 crore in the year-ago quarter. Return on the equity of the bank is 7%. The aggregate COVID-19 provisions of Rs 97.99 crore has been continued for the period ending September 30, 2020. The bank has declared exposure of Rs 107.99 crores to Syntex Industries Limited as fraud on 9th October. In 2016, SIL had availed various credit facilities under consortium arrangement wherein Karnataka Bank was one of the 15 member banks. Karnataka Bank's total exposure in the arrangement stood at around 1.74%. Let's look into the detailed 3-year Q2 analysis. The revenue of the Q2 2018 was at Rs 1,453 crores. Q2 of 2019 stood at Rs 1,630 crores and Q2 of 2020 is at Rs 1,604 crores. That includes other incomes as well. The interest in the year 2018 was Rs 985 crores. In the year 2019, it was Rs 1,131 crores and in 2020, it is Rs 1,029 crores. The expenses in the Q2 of 2018 was at Rs 506 crores. In the Q2 of 2019, it stood at Rs 620 crores and at present, it is at Rs 726 crores. Financing margin in 2018 was at minus 3%. In 2019, it was minus 7% and currently it is minus 9%. Other income in the September quarter in 2018 was Rs 201 crore and in 2019 it is Rs 273 crores and in 2020 it is Rs 330 crores. profit before tax in Q2 of 2018, it was at rupees 163 crores. In 2019, it was rupees 151 crores, and at present, it is rupees 178 crores. Tax in Q2 of 2018 was at 31%. In 2019, it was 30%, and in 2020, it is 33%. Net profit made by the bank in the Q2 of 2018 was rupees 112 crores. In 2019, it was 106 crores, and in Q2 of 2020, it is 119 crores. Gross NPA in the year 2018, it was 4.66%. In 2019, it's 4.78%, and currently it stands at 3.97%. Net NPA in Q2 of 2018 was at 3%. In Q2 of 2019, it was 3.48%, and at present, it is 2.21%. Currently, the market capital stands at rupees 1,306 crores. Let's look at the shareholder pattern. Foreign institutional investors in September 2019 was 13.7%, and in September 2020 is 7.33%. Domestic institutional investors in September 2019, it was 11.93%, and at present it is 6.64%. Percentage of public shareholders in September 2019 was 74.37%, and in September 2020 it is 86.03%. That was the video on the detailed analysis of Q2 results of Karnataka Bank Limited. Hope you all liked it. Hit the like button if you find it informative. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We'll be right back with our next video. Until then, stay tuned.